I'm way much better after talking to you, to see you. I'm way much better.
Oh, thanks. So, yes, I think I must say to you, Kunal, so please introduce yourself for the watchers. So, if you will give you a brief introduction, they will be able to know you better. So, please.
Of course, my name is Kunal and I'm born and raised up in Haryana, north part of India. Basically, I'm a student. I'm studying in second part of English honors. About my free time, hobbies, nowadays into listening music and reading. And one more interesting thing, fascinating thing is that my hobbies change according to time.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's fantastic to hear about you like that. Yeah, of course, the taste of preference, I think it is changing, I think, for the people. Like sometimes we will like this and sometimes we will like another thing. So
exactly,
nowadays you are really interested towards this English language or English speaking skills. Do you
exactly.
do you think
You're
that are
absolutely,
really devoted towards it?
you are absolutely right. So nowadays I'm trying to make my pronunciation better.
Yeah,
Yeah.
fantastic. Okay. Then I'll ask some basic questions to you towards this English topic. Then what is the reason I think for learning English? What do you think? What is the important reason for you to learn this?
Okay. There is a one thing I would like to tell you in a nutshell. I am not born for one corner. I am not born for one corner. Whole world is my native land,
Oh,
and English language gives me that potential to become like whole world my native land. Native land is mean to say that we can talk someone easily with someone, and through this language I firmly believe that I can easily talk with any country person. So I can feel like that I'm in homeland. I'm in my native place. And that's about English.
yeah, that's wonderful answer. So it means that's why you would like to grab this international language. So after getting it, you can talk to a person from all around the world. So it's wonderful. Yes, I'm happy to hear that.
Exactly.
So now I'm moving towards the another question of the series. That is, what kind of challenges are you facing while learning English?
Okay, what kind of challenges I am facing? One of the really, I can say, tough part of language to get the hang of, you can say, exact pronunciation is really hard. That is a really like hard nut to crack for me as well. I can say, yeah, this one thing, like speaking with standard pronunciation. Yeah,
Okay, that's
that thing.
wonderful. So, just getting the pronunciation and original pronunciation for this language is a kind of tough thing because we are hearing to our teachers and we are listening to them, but their pronunciation, I think, is totally different, and that's not matching with the original pronunciation. So, it is a big problem. So, we
Exactly.
have from ourselves and from YouTube and from Google and several platforms. Yeah, okay.
Exactly.
Now I'm moving towards the another question that what is your expectation from yourself in this, I think, speaking area or kind of speaking language?
Okay, what my expectation? Uh, in a nutshell, my expectation is that, like whatever I can think in my native language, generally, I can think same as like in English. That's it.
Oh,
That's
that's
my
great. So it means
expectation.
you would like to speak English like a native language. So you would like to speak like a native speaker. It means like you, whatever you would like to think in Haryanvi as well, you would like to same get the thinking in the English to speak better. Yeah, wonderful thought.
Exactly.
Yeah, yeah,
That's
really
what.
fascinating. So, and what is your medium of education like? As you told that right now you are a student of English honors, I think so. But before that, what was your medium?
My medium was English medium.
Oh, then it's fantastic. So it means you came from English, I think, medium. So you were studying the subjects in English, and teachers were also like focusing maybe. Yeah,
Exactly.
that is fantastic for you and really helped me. So now I'm moving towards the, I think, last but not least, the question is that how much time I think are you spending for speaking in English per day? How many hours do you give per day?
Uh, like rather than considering about much time, I always give preference, priority to every single day practice, consistency. It doesn't
Mm-hmm.
matter. Like sometime it can be 1 hour if I'm having time, more than enough time. I'm having ample amount of time. Surely I can easily go with 1 hour practice. And apart from that, if like sometime my main intention is to never miss a single day. It doesn't matter. Just give at least even 10 minutes per day. So, and the best thing about learning language, uh, some days some time ago, I used to think like that. I will be able to speak great English. I should have just piled up a plethora of vocabs, grammar, just reading books, mugging up these type of I'm thinking. But now I got to know this thing. Speaking comes from speaking. This is the most easiest way.
Yeah, of course, that's wonderful. I think speaking comes from speaking. That's really right. So yeah,
Mhm.
of course, I'm satisfied with your answer. So now